Welcome to Get Your FRQ On. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to define and call a matrix on your graphing calculator. So on this calculator, in order to access a matrix, I'm going to go to second, and then the inverse key, which says matrix on the top, and that's how I will access matrices here. So second matrix, and it has a bunch of different matrix names here. None of them have been defined yet. I have options for doing math on these matrices and editing. In this case, in order to define a matrix, I have to go to Edit. And I'm going to click on this, and then this first number is going to tell me how many rows this matrix needs. Rows are going to make the matrix taller. And the second one is going to be the columns. Columns are going to make the matrix wider. So for the most part, you can make a matrix of just about any dimensions. I'm going to make this 2 by 2. And once you've defined it, you can start entering values. Let's say this is 1, this is -2, this is 3, and this is -1. All right, so now I have my entire matrix filled in. I'm going to exit out of here. All right, so that matrix is defined. So if I go back to my matrix menu, notice it now has A, which has dimensions 2 by 2. And what I can do from here is anytime I need that matrix, I can go to the matrix menu, and under names, I just choose the matrix I want. So I want matrix A, so I click on enter, and now it has matrix A. And let's say I want to double all of the entries in matrix A, so I'm going to do matrix A times 2. Click enter, and notice everything in here is twice as big as it was when I previously defined it.